Use applications like Salesforce.com and Siebel CRM to collect, store, and report your key sales data. But these applications limit the way you can analyze and report on your data. In this short video, you will see how Spotfire is used to perform a forecast and pipeline analysis. Just one of the many applications of Spotfire for sales professionals, which include rep productivity analysis, sales cycle analysis, close rates, historical pipeline analysis, and more. As a regional sales manager, I need to get an overall view of what's going on in my territory. We're in fiscal Q3 right now, ending in August, but looking back on the first half of the year, I've done a good job of meeting my sales goals. In the first and second quarters, I either hit my targets or came very, very close. Coming into the third quarter, however, I seem to have a problem in my pipeline. Officially, I have enough value in my pipeline to meet my goal, but we can see a lot of that is highly speculative. This is pipeline that has been recently converted from marketing and is unlikely to close this quarter, regardless of what the date in Salesforce.com says. Filtering out these early stage opportunities, we can see that even with our best case opportunities, we're still roughly $1.5 million short of meeting our $6 million goal for the quarter. This is a real problem. Let's dig into the current quarter and see if we can find out how we might be able to plug the hole in our pipeline. Here we have a breakdown of our pipeline by stage. Digging in here, we see Jeff Oliver has an $800,000 opportunity. We can easily get some details on that. We can also look at John Smith's $500,000 opportunity, as well as Susan Smith's $400,000 opportunity. If we were to close two of these three opportunities, we'd have a pretty good chance of making our quarter. From here, I can link directly back to Salesforce.com to see more information about these opportunities. However, my suspicion is that these opportunities are unlikely to close based on what I know about Jeff, John, and Susan, as well as the particulars of these accounts. Let's look into Q4 and see if there's something that we might be able to close there. Filtering to the deals in Q4, we can see that we have a fairly healthy pipeline, and so perhaps we can rescue our Q3 by pulling in some details from Q4. Here we can see a number of large deals, including from Angela and George, for $1.5 million each. Either of these alone would make our quarter. However, these aren't slated to close until November. It may make more sense to look for deals that are already going to close in September. Let's filter to those. We see that Sam Collins has an opportunity that's worth nearly $1 million, and that there are two others in the $500,000 range. If we were to close two of these three opportunities, by moving them from September to August, we could very likely make our Q3 goal while not jeopardizing Q4. So very, very quickly, we've been able to identify key opportunities which could address a problem in our current quarter. We can drill into Salesforce.com to get more information on these by clicking on the opportunity link. This approach to analyzing your data in Salesforce.com or Siebel CRM means that you as a sales manager can interrogate your data yourself, without the need to turn to IT, which helps you achieve your revenue goals. What you have just seen is a short introduction to the power of using Spotfire to address your sales analysis and reporting needs without needing to turn to IT or sales operations. You saw how easily data is used in Spotfire from a CRM system like Salesforce.com or Siebel CRM, and how quickly you can answer questions to help you derive revenue opportunities and optimize your sales force. Thank you for your attention, and if you have further questions, please contact your TIBCO Spotfire sales representative at mds@tibco.com or call 1-617-702-1602.